back to my channel. So if you're new on this channel, my name has always been Cam. I am a makeup artist in real life and also on YouTube here. If you'd like to embark on this journey with me on YouTube here, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and do all the beautiful things. Follow me on all my social media, on Instagram, Facebook, and everywhere that I am. So without further ado, let's jump right into the tutorial. Unless you are new on this channel, this is my go-to concealer for my eyeshadow base. Then I'll be using the BH palette. So if you have one, you can also use it. I'll be using this shade. I'll be using this palette from MAC. But as you see, I cannot skip this place because my skin is not very smooth. With your foundation, you take it steps by steps. Don't take it at once. And I like buffing my foundation because it helps to hide my dark spots on my face. I don't know, nowadays I am feeling Makeup Revolution concealer. My mood just switched. Then I'm going to contour with it. What I like to do is to use a damp beauty blender to pat the powder into my skin. Then you go underneath the eye with the same transition color that I used before. Guys, I just broke my contour palette, so I just cannot raise it that much.